Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Tygot 7 feet ring light tripod stand. This is the box that it comes in. There's no information over here, unfortunately. I will open this box and show you what this tripod looks like. There we go. This is what the tripod looks like. There is this packet over here. This comes with a smartphone holder. So this is an extra attachment for your ring lights. So basically your ring lights have a section at the center bottom where you can put your smartphone in. This is an extra smartphone bracket, an extra smartphone holder that comes with this particular package for the same purpose. So this is a very standard tripod stand for lights. It's very lightweight. It's actually pretty lightweight, barely weighs anything, and you can control it. You can extend the length using this particular knob over here. So the maximum height of this particular tripod is 7 feet. So let's see if we can get 7 feet. So this is one, and so yeah, this is as long as it gets. It's pretty long actually. I don't know if this is 7 feet, but it's still pretty long. Oh, we can extend this further even, can we? And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Tygot 7 feet ring light tripod stand. Thank you for watching.